name is Eddie Binder. I'm here at Westlow Kia Carlsbad, and we're going to talk about the 2019 Kia Optima. Now, the Kia Optima base model is an LX. This is one model up. It's called the S model. S model's got some really cool features. One of the things are, it goes from a 17 to an 18-inch wheel, so you got that bigger wheel with a lower profile tire, good looking rim. Now, one of the things that the S model does give you is cloth leather combo seats. Very unique. It's a great looking seat. You also get standard with the S model, you get a power driver's seat. So the power driver's seat is another nice feature that doesn't come in your base model LX. So front of the vehicle, good looking aggressive grille, LED lights, LED headlamps. Okay, so here in the back seat. Now look, I was sitting in the front seat with the seat this far back, very comfortably. Look at the leg room I have. This is a 5-passenger. You got cup holders back here. You got the center armrest, or you get your 5th passenger. You got the anchors for the kid seats back here. 2 kid seats comfortably. I'm going to come up and show you the panoramic roof. Look at the size of this panoramic roof. Absolutely fantastic.
Right.
I got to use sunscreen when I open these up. But as you can see, a lot of light, a lot of fresh air. Okay, so a very, very clean looking interior with a wide 8-inch screen. You can see as soon as I put this thing in reverse, I got my backup cameras. You have XM radio, you have your UVO system, integrates with your phone. Everything's touch tone. You got also part of the S model is this leather wrapped steering wheel. The steering wheel has all your cruise control, all your radio controls, your display controls. So you don't have to take your hands off the wheel to operate your vehicle. Car's just really been one of our most popular models, and a vehicle that you'll see people driving all over the place for a good reason. Between the 10-year, 100,000-mile warranty, the safety records of these vehicles, Optima is one of our best sellers for a reason. It's a fantastic vehicle and a great bang for your buck. So there's a lot more that I don't have time to share with you about this model. It's a fantastic vehicle. The best thing to do is come in and drive it for yourself. How it feels on the road. It has a wide stance, so it handles fantastic. The gas mileage is great. Come on down, try one for yourself, see what you think. Take it for a test drive, and if you find it's the right car for you, you're going to end up driving one home because you won't be able to say no to an Optima.